In this video, I'll show you how to create an engagement campaign in Meta Ads. If you want more likes, comments, shares, video views, messages, or interactions with your Facebook and Instagram content, the engagement objective is one of the best campaign types to use. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your business or ad account, then make sure you select the correct ad account before creating your campaign. Next, click the Create button to start a new campaign. Meta will ask you to choose a campaign objective. Select Engagement. This objective is designed to help your ads get more interactions from people who are likely to engage with your content. After selecting Engagement, click Continue. Now give your campaign a clear name so you can recognize it later. You can name it based on the post, offer, audience, or date, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Now move to the ad set level. This is where you choose the type of engagement you want. Depending on your goal, you may be able to optimize for post engagement, video views, messages, page likes, event responses, or other engagement actions. Choose the option that matches what you want people to do. Next, set your budget and schedule. Choose how much you want to spend per day or over the lifetime of the campaign. If you're just testing, start with a budget you're comfortable with. Then increase it later if the campaign brings good engagement at a low cost. After that, choose your audience. Select the location, age, gender, interests, behaviors, custom audiences, or lookalike audiences you want to target. If your goal is broad engagement, keep the audience large enough so Meta has room to find people who are likely to interact with your ad. Next, choose your placements. You can use Advantage Plus placements if you want Meta to automatically show your ad across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Reels, Stories, and other available placements. This is usually the easiest option, especially if you want Meta to optimize delivery automatically. Now move to the ad level. This is where you create the actual ad people will see. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account, then choose whether you want to create a new ad or use an existing post. If you already have a post that is getting good organic engagement, you can use that existing post and boost it through Ads Manager. This can help build more social proof because all the likes, comments, and shares stay connected to the same post. If you're creating a new ad, upload your image or video, write your primary text, add a headline if needed, and choose a call to action button. For engagement campaigns, the creative should be simple, clear, and easy to react to. A strong question, bold statement, helpful tip, or relatable message can help increase comments and interactions. Before publishing, review your campaign carefully. Check the engagement objective, budget, audience, placements, creative, copy, and optimization settings. Make sure everything matches the action you want people to take. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Meta will review your ad, and once it's approved, your engagement campaign will start running. After it gets results, go back to Ads Manager and check metrics like post reactions, comments, shares, video views, cost per engagement, and engagement rate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an engagement campaign in Meta Ads. The main steps are simple. Choose the engagement objective, select the type of interaction you want, set your budget and audience, create or select your ad, and publish the campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more Meta Ads, Facebook ads, and digital marketing tutorials.